Good afternoon and welcome to another promotional video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our fresh into stock, one owner from new, Land Rover Discovery Sport 2.2 diesel SD4 automatic. Now this is a HSE luxury model in Fuji white with a black pack, one owner from new, covered 74,000 miles. So black pack, black grille, black fog lamp surrounds, gloss black alloys, gloss wing vents, gloss black wing mirrors, rear spoiler, black roof, black flash across the tailgate, black badges. So beautiful car, one owner, Discovery Sport, HSE, 2.2 diesel with the black pack. So 20-inch alloys with really good Pirelli Scorpion tyres all round, which match. Panoramic glass sunroof, black leather, which is, it's a HSE luxury, so it's heated and chilled. Front leather seats, which are electric memory. There's the memory buttons. There's the big glass panoramic roof with an electronic sunshade if you want to slide it across to keep the sun out. So HSE luxury, sat nav, Bluetooth DAB radio, heated and chilled seats, power tailgate, reverse camera, front and rear park, obviously 7 seats, privacy glass. This is, I mean, a really lovely example. Don't find many that are one owner. Heated rear seats as well. Show you the power tailgate. So reverse park sensors and a reverse camera. The 2 rear seats do fold into the floor if you want a huge boot, but at the moment the 7 seats, the 6 and 7 seats are up. Press the button, Adam, and electronic tailgate closes. Can't see any marks at all on the bodywork or the interior of this car really. I mean, it's in superb condition. As I say, matching Pirelli Scorpions, lovely gloss black alloy wheels with the rest of the gloss black finishings that make up the black pack. Memory for the driver's seat. This car's got self-park, so it has parking assistant. You find the space and it will reverse into it for you. Heated and chilled leather seats, which are electric memory. Got the Land Rover fitted mats. 74,763 miles. Absolutely fantastic service history with this car, and having the cam belt replaced, a real bonus. Cam belt just replaced at 73,000 miles, it's now done 74. This car was serviced at Land Rover at 13,000, 27,000, 37,000, 47 and 56,000 miles. Since then it's been serviced by an independent garage at 62,000 and 68,000, and it's just had the cam belt done at 73,000, and it has 2 keys. What a perfect example. Priced at £18,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. We normally have more than one Discovery Sport in stock, but they won't be as nice as this. When it's gone, it's gone. Or please visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram. If you do, please follow us. Or this video will be hosted with all of our other car videos on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you find the Barclay Motor Company YouTube channel, you can click through all of our car videos. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you'll be the first to get a little notification each time we upload fresh stock. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.